Okay, so where are we? Old engine's off. Reinstall on the stand. Ready to go. New engines on the new stand, on the run stand. Pretty much all hooked up. There's a few things I have to finish up. The PVC, the crankcase ventilation pipe doesn't work with this. It's slightly different. So I gotta get it kind of tight. And I've got to switch out the distributor drive because the distributor's drive on the turbo doesn't match the distributor I have here. So that's no good. So I'll have to remove the pump, pull the drive, hope it doesn't get in the way there. But I'm about ready to do a compression test, so that'll be on the next video. Anyway, I gotta clean up, get things all taken care of. We missed most of the action because the battery died. It's probably dead now. But anyway, I'll come back when I'm ready to do some compression tests, and we'll finish up this process. All right, that's all for now. Thanks, folks.